In the last video, we identified the key data elements and prepared an Excel catalog, like you can see here, this data catalog. And now we will write clear and actionable data quality rules for those data elements, rules that help us systematically check and improve data quality. To show why these rules matter, I made some manual edits in our database. You can see here. I just updated some data for the patient ID with the number 1, as you see here. I edited birth date to the date after current date, which is invalid because birth dates cannot be in the future. I also changed their national ID to AZ15, which doesn't match our expected pattern. Let's see our Excel catalog first. First of all, we will have to create 2 new columns here. First one will be for our data quality rules. I will name it quality rule. The second one will be SQL script, SQL script for this quality rule. Now, how quality rules are created? First of all, I want to say that it's important to understand that these data quality rules don't come only from us. They are developed through collaboration with some business analysts, data owners, other employees who work closely with the data. This ensures rules reflect real business needs and practical realities. Like as a technical employee, we cannot create all of the quality rules by ourselves. Let's see some quality rules for some data elements. We will not cover all of the data elements because the length of the video will be about 1 hour, 2 hours like this. We don't want to make it length. We will show some examples here. For example, we will now create a rule for gender. Like for example, for the gender, let's write something here to see that we are here. Let's go back to our database. Like in the database, we can see that gender, like it's also logically true that gender only can be male and female. That's why we have to, but as you see, we see some inconsistencies in our data. Like there is the gender with the letter of X. This is not possible. Like there is the gender with the null value. Like first of all, we have to write our quality rule for the gender. Like gender cannot be null. For the second one, we have to insert row here, and we will copy paste data, and we will write a second quality rule for the gender. The number of the quality rules depends, like there can be one quality rule, there can be 10 quality rule for one data element. Like then for the gender, we will have the second quality rule, which is gender value can be only M or F, which is for male and female, like this. For example, let's create some quality rules for birth date too. For the birth date, as we know, birth date can not be date after the current date. Birth date cannot be date not be after current date, and let's add another row as we did before. We will do the same, because all the values will be the same, and this quality rule will be different here. Like birth date cannot be after current date. What can be else? We have to think about it. As I mentioned before, in the real case, we will discuss it with business analysts and employees who are engaged with this domain, and that's why it will be easier for us, and all quality rules will be professionally made. Right. For the birth date, for the second quality rule can be birth date can only be in date format. Date format, for example. Let's lastly create quality rule for national ID too. For example, for the national ID, the length of the national ID can be 9. Let's add a column here for the second quality rule. The national ID only can be consist of a combination of numbers and letters. Like this. As you see, I entered these rules as clear descriptions in our Excel file quality rule column. Alongside, then in the next video we will take a look how to write SQL scripts for these quality rules and check data impurity. In the next video, like we write SQL queries that automatically find records violating these rules and start measuring data quality scores.